Here this is the exposed radiographic film. Now we have to process this radiographic film in the dark room. So this is how dark room is there, and this is the dark room. Dark room is of doorless type and door type, and here we have doorless mesh type of dark room which is L shaped, and this is how the dark room is, which is black painted walls are present, and this is how the dark room is. And here we have your safe light, and these are the developing tanks and the master tank, and this is the safe light. With the help of safe light we can develop this radiographic film, and this is the exposed radiographic film. So once exposure of the radiographic film is done, we have to process this radiographic film. While processing, we should off the light, and then we should process the radiographic film. We should carefully open this film and then we should process. First we should keep this in the developer solution. On the right side corner, this is the developing tank, and this is the middle one, this is the rinser tank, and then this is the fixer tank. And then after finishing the fixing, then we should wash in the running tap water. So this is how we do, and before opening of this radiographic film, we should switch off the light. So after switching off the light, make sure we should not open the radiographic film when the light is on. So observe with the help of this safe light the radiographic film. While opening the radiographic film, first there is outer plastic covering is there on the film. So first we should remove this outer plastic covering. So after removing of this outer plastic covering, then there will be a black paper on either side of the radiographic film. So and on the back side there will be a lead foil. We should remove the lead foil, and then the black paper on the back side and the black paper on the front side. So after removing all these things, we should carefully remove the radiographic film. Okay. So after removing the film, we should carefully put it to the film holder. So this is the film holder. We should carefully put this radiographic film to the holders and ensure tightly that the film is kept in place or not. So usually it is placed at the embossed dot of the radiographic film like this. So check whether the film is perfectly tightened or not. So we should keep it to the hanger, and then we should process the film. So first we should keep in the developing tank. On the right side corner it is. So first we should keep in the developing solution and wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. We can check whether the developing is completed or not with the help of the latent image or optimal image. So we can see the optimal image with the help of the safe light. See, you can observe the images of the outlines of the teeth with the help of the safe light. That means developing is completed. So first keep in the developing solution and then check for the occurrence of the optimal image with the help of safe light. After the optimal image has been developed, then transfer the hanger from the developing solution tank to middle tank, that is rinsing tank. So in the rinsing tank, we should keep the hanger in a continuous slow motion and agitation motion for about 30 seconds. We should keep in the rinsing solution to remove any carryover developing solution on the film. So we should keep the hanger in the rinser solution for about 30 seconds. So after the rinsing is over, we should keep the hanger in the fixer solution, that is last tank. So once the hanger is kept in the fixer solution, we can switch on the light. It should be kept for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the fixing is over, we can wash the film and then we should keep the film in the dryer. So check whether the fixing is completed or not. So after fixing is over, see, the fixation is over and the teeth can be clearly seen in the radiographic film. Okay, this is how the processing method is. This is manual processing method. So manually we should keep the film in the developing solution, rinser and then fixer, and then once fixing is completed, here fixing is proper and fixing is completed. So once the fixing is completed, then we should wash the film in the running tap water. In slow running tap water we should wash the film, and then once washing is over, then we should keep the hanger with the film in the dryer. So this is the drying cabinet. We should keep this film in the dryer. So we should hang the hanger with the radiographic film in the dryer for drying of the film, and then we should wait for 1 or 2 minutes for drying of the film. Once the drying is over, we should see the image and then we should interpret the image. This is how the processing method is. This is all about the manual processing method. Thank you.